Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Robinhood Gold subscription, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall your Robinhood Gold subscription, start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Scroll down until you see the investing section. In the investing section, look for your Robinhood Gold subscription details. Tap on Robinhood Gold to view your subscription information. Next, find the option that says Manage Subscription. Tap on Manage Subscription to proceed. You will see the details of your subscription, including the billing information. Look for the option to Cancel Subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription to initiate the unsubscription process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Review any important information provided regarding the cancellation. Once you're ready, confirm the cancellation by tapping on Yes or Confirm. After confirming, you will receive a notification that your subscription has been cancelled. Your Robinhood Gold subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. That's all it takes to uninstall your Robinhood Gold subscription. Ensure you check your email for any confirmation regarding the cancellation. You can also monitor your account to verify that the subscription is no longer active. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.